Power, the foundation of human civilization. Transportation. City. Life. Energy China, the architect of power system. China Energy Engineering Corporation Limited is one of the largest comprehensive solutions providers for the power industry globally. In decades, Energy China has engaged in the design and/or construction of a number of milestone projects, recognized as the first in China or the first in the world, such as Gezhouba Hydro Project, the first dam on the Yangtze River; Three Gorges Project, the largest hydropower project in the world in terms of installed capacity; Qinshan Nuclear Power Plant Phase 1, the first nuclear power plant in China; Guangdong Lingao Nuclear Power Plant Phase 2, the first CPR 1000 project in China, adopting improved PWR with independent intellectual property rights; Southeast Shanxi Nanyang Jingmen Demonstration Project, the first 1000 kV UHV AC transmission project in China; Yunnan Chuxiong Guangdong Huidong UHV DC transmission project, the world's first plus 800 kV UHV DC transmission project; Hebei Zhangbei National Wind and Solar Power Storage and Transmission Demonstration Power Station, the world's first demonstration project for comprehensive utilization of new energies. Energy China's capabilities are compelling. It ranked 21st among the Engineering News Record, ENRs, the top 150 global design firms list, and 13th among the ENRs, the top 250 global contractors list in 2015, respectively, in terms of the revenues of survey, design, and consultancy business, and construction and contracting business. Ranked second among all global engineering contractors specializing in power contracting in both 2012 and 2013 in terms of revenue. Engaged in the design and/or construction of power plants with a total on-grid installed capacity of more than 160 gigawatts from 2012 to 2014, ranking first in the world. Undertook the design or construction of transmission lines with a total length of over 54,000 kilometers during the same period. Among all nuclear power generation units in China in operation and under construction, as of March 31, 2015, Energy China had a 90.8% market share in survey and design, a 59.8% market share in installation of conventional islands of nuclear plants. In 2014, the survey and design business had market shares of 73.7% in UHV transmission lines market in terms of length installed in China, and 81.1% in fossil fuel power projects in terms of completed contract value in China. In recent years, environmental protection and energy conservation have gradually become important considerations for power development in China. There is large and increasing demand for nuclear power, new energy, the retrofitting of traditional coal-fired power plants, and the construction of ultra-high voltage power transmission lines. Energy China's substantial market presence, experience, and technological expertise will enable it to benefit from the development in these fast-growing energy markets in the PRC power engineering and construction industry. Energy China has extended strength in power projects to a broad range of other infrastructure projects, such as water conservancy facilities, transportation facilities, municipal works, industrial and civil construction works. Keeping innovating in business model, promoting the high-end development of infrastructure projects, working hard to accelerate industry structure readjustment, promote business restructuring and upgrading. Energy China actively expands in the international business, concentrating resources on building brand in the global market, further enhance the recognition of Energy China brand. The company had the largest market share, or 35.6% of the overseas power contracting projects undertaken by PRC companies in 2014 in terms of new contract value. As of May 31, 2015, the company had established an overseas network with 169 outlets in 71 countries and regions, and had provided services in over 80 countries and regions. Energy China's overseas business largely coincides with the regions targeted by China's The Belt and Road Initiative. It has over 300 projects under construction with an aggregate contract value of over RMB 150 billion. Energy China is a pioneer and leading provider of survey, design, and consultancy services for power construction in China. The company played a leading role in formulating industry standards in China and guided the technological progress of China's power industry. With its leading industry position, comprehensive and advanced business qualifications, and extensive project experiences, Energy China integrated its survey, design, and consultancy services with other upstream and downstream resources to expand the market share of overall business. One of Energy China's shareholders, Electric Power Planning and Engineering Institute Company Limited, is a national-level think tank in the industry of power planning and engineering. The company's major customers and business partners cover all major power grid operators and power generation companies in China. Its major overseas customers comprise local energy authorities and state or private-owned utility companies. Over years of development, the company has built and maintained good relationships with its upstream and downstream business partners, forming a strong resources platform to support business development. Energy China has a dedicated and highly experienced management team with an average industry experience of more than 20 years. In addition, the company has a large team of skilled engineers and other technology-related staff. Energy China aims to become a world-class engineering and construction company. Take the lead in the reform on smart energy. Promote the harmonious development of society and economy. Respect the nature. Explore the nature. China Energy Engineering Corporation Limited, bringing energy to the world.